A 2021 and newer F-250 6.7-liter Power Stroke. Throwing a DEF reductant heater failure code will trigger an impending 50-mile speed-limited Limp mode, but temporarily bypassing the sensor circuit using a specific resistor will keep the truck on the road until the replacement heater assembly arrives. The P20BA diagnostic code indicates the reductant heater inside the diesel exhaust fluid tank has failed. The heater assembly prevents the DEF fluid from freezing in cold weather. When the internal heating element burns out, the engine computer detects the open circuit and initiates the countdown timer. If ignored, the truck will eventually limit the top speed to 50 miles per hour and later 5 miles per hour. A temporary bypass involves tricking the computer into seeing a functional heater circuit. The heater connector is located on top of the DEF tank on the passenger side frame rail. Disconnecting this harness and wiring a 10K ohm half-watt resistor across the two heater circuit pins provides the exact resistance value the computer expects to see. Accessing the connector requires dropping the skid plate under the DEF tank. The specific wires to bridge are the larger gauge power and ground wires specifically for the heating element. Once the resistor is firmly inserted into the harness side of the connector, wrapping it securely with electrical tape prevents moisture intrusion and keeps the resistor secured in place. Clearing the existing diagnostic trouble codes with an OBD2 scanner is required after installing the resistor. The check engine light will turn off, and the exhaust fluid system fault message on the dashboard will disappear. The countdown timer resets completely, allowing full normal operation of the truck. This bypass method only disables the heater circuit monitor and does not fix the actual frozen DEF issue in cold climates. Driving in sub-freezing temperatures with this bypass installed will cause the DEF fluid to freeze, leading to an entirely different set of emission system faults. The permanent solution requires dropping the tank and replacing the complete DEF sender and heater unit.